Hello and welcome to another update video about AGIX. On the AGIX chart, we have this fairly complex ABC correction. You may also be able to count it as a WXY correction, depending on if the low is in or not. AGIX hit the 78.6 retracement level here, the 17.3 cent level, which ideally is going to hold. If not, there is a little bit more support around the 16 cent level. That's structural support, and then 10.9 cents, but that would be the 88.7 fib level. Ideally, I want to avoid that the price gets to that region, because if it does that, it will weaken the chart and is sort of the only fib level left before going to possibly even new bear market lows, or at least the support region around from around November, that 4 to 5 cent region. At the moment, I cannot confirm at all that a low has been made here. Yeah, unfortunately not, but we can track it. We can look at it. You have here, and it's not terribly well defined. 1 second. But we can draw a trend line. Maybe not from there, but possibly from here. And we've got more than 3 touch points here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and a couple here down here. So price isn't even above that trend line. So at the moment, while price is moving up nicely, it has not rallied in an impulsive structure. So the only way that it could convince us that a low is in is that it forms a leading diagonal in 5 waves, which is indicated on the screen. So this is what we would need to see in order to confirm that a low might be in. We have a wave 1 here, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and one more high would be needed. Then we can call it 5 waves, because we have 3 waves in wave 1, 3 waves in wave 2, we have 3 waves in wave 3, 3 and 4, and we need another ABC in wave 5. Then we have 5 waves up. The price needs to break above the trend line and needs to take out the third wave high at 26.7 cents. We can then call this a possible wave 1. We would then be looking forward to an ABC pullback highlighted here. Just change the color. And it might very well be, that whatever it's doing, if it really breaks above this trend line, that it then just retests this trend line from above in this ABC correction. And we could then call it a larger so-called 1-2 setup, and price could move higher. Let me just change something here, and I will change the wave degree. And then we've got here this possible 1-2 setup. As soon as I have those 5 waves up, obviously we can calculate support for wave 2, but I would pay particular attention to the trend line. Now at the moment, there is only a 3-wave move up, okay? So I can't even confirm a 5-wave move up. I call it here a 1, 2, 3 at the moment, but it could easily be a WXY at the moment. And if it breaks below this swing low here at 22.5 cents, we're holding it for now. I think that would be additional confirmation that another low is coming, and I told you already about these support regions then. It is currently pulled back to a very, very relevant support area here. It's first of all previous resistance, Saturday and Sunday resistance around 22.5 cents. We had previous support here in that third wave low as well on the 8th of May and the 11th of May, and previous resistance here. So this is really an important level. The good news is we are above that level now, but ideally I don't want it to break below it. So as long as it's holding above it, I think there's a decent chance to push higher in a 5th wave, but it needs to break out of the trend line. I think a breakout of the trend line, it probably will not spark a massive rally, but I think it may give us enough to form 5 waves, and then we can look at that ABC pullback. Other than that, there is not much more to add. Really need those 5 waves up. Until then, we don't really have any confirmation that a low might be in. So it's always, especially because it's a diagonal pattern, we need that wave 2 pullback to confirm. Because a diagonal, even if we get one more high, you can still interpret it as a larger correction. So we need those 5 up and 3 down. 5 up alone are not enough. And if we then hold support, a third wave rally could be in the making. That's my update about AGIX. I hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.